Hi guys, it's Tony Demakos with Alliance Specialties and Laser Sales, and we're back with another tip from the tool room. And today I've got Jerry, and we're going to talk about organization.
Today's organizational tip is color coding bins for things that go on in the tool room. We have blue and red and green. The green are for the front half of all molds that are here for maintenance. The blue is for the back half of the tool for maintenance purposes only. The red is for the manifold sections. Any hot runner system or anything else gets done in red. There are never any other parts from the tool put into that bin. We go with different color sizes, different shapes. We also have areas for going over and putting card slots in for job numbers, part description, or something like that that we need to turn around and watch for. This keeps us from losing parts, misplacing parts, leaving parts on jobs off because we don't know that they're there. If they're in the bin and it hasn't been put back on the tool, there's a problem, we can find it.
So when you have a lot of jobs going in and out of your shop, it's important to keep organization up to snuff. Make sure that you know what goes with what and where it is at all times. So from Jerry and myself, that's just a tip.